Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Future Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live trading alert call room. We're at the end of the week. It's Friday. Today, guys, we had a power play. We had an understanding trade. We had two understanding trades. We had an RS play and another power play. So two power plays, two understanding trades, and one RS trade. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total trades. We had 4 winners and we had 1 break even. And actually, in the break even, that one came at the same time as our big winner in crude. And the crude trade triggered first. So most people weren't even in the break even, but if you were, you had a break even. No big deal. So we're going to go through and run through everything really quickly from left to right. Our break even was our gold trade. We had a power play here. We got long at 13.59.3, right around 10 o'clock, and we added to the trade. And when it came down, and when it came back up, we got it. Everybody can see here. We easily got it at break even right around here. And that was a break-even trade. On the crude, we had a understanding trade that commenced at 1490, 14. Let's see, 43.92. And that was at 8:48. Now we did have news coming up, so I told everybody, we wanted to be either out of the trade. We're not going to give back anything in case it crashes at the news or anything like that. We made up to 10 pennies on the trade. You'll see right there, that was the time right before the news. And then I told everybody, if you really want to go for a break even, you can go for a break even, but you probably should go to entry just because we just kind of want it to fly up. We don't want to be given back and have a break even after all that. So a small trade up to 10 pennies on that one. And then we got into another understanding trade, and that was at 44.02. 44.02, and that was at 9:54 Central Standard Time. We took it up. My first target was 44.20. My second target was 45 to 50. My circle there, again, these were here the entire time from when we got in the trade. And that's what we got on that trade. In fact, when it got up above the 50, I told everybody that if you're going to stay in the trade, if you do have a runner left, you move your stop all the way up to 43. So everybody would have been out around here anyway if you had contracts left after the target was hit. Then that was good for about up to almost 50 pennies. And then we had an RS that worked out just for a little bit. We made about from 34, we got short at 34, 44, 34, 1048, and that one made about 8 ticks. Then we had to close everything down once the room closed. So that's all it made was 8 ticks. You see there 11 o'clock. We don't got to be flat there. Did actually go down much further. We would have had a re-entry here, but again, this was at lunch, so we weren't in there. So that was a little trade there right before the close. And then in the ES, we took a power play, got short at 79. It went down for 2 points, and we got 2 points on that. Just no follow through. Market was pretty choppy, as you see the whole time here. Thought about getting along over here, but we got in the crude trade, and there was also a gold trade. Didn't want people in 3 different trades. So it's just a great day overall. We're going to come back to Monday and do it all over again. Great way to end the week, and we'll see you guys back next week.